Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will give a review of the Knit Picks Reflections Interchangeable Lace Set. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm happy to have you here. So recently I purchased several sets of needles, knitting needles, to try out. And one of the sets that I purchased was the Knit Picks Reflections Lace Set. So here's the set. It's the Knit Picks Options Interchangeable Reflections Lace Set. It's an interchangeable set, and it has the most common lace needle sizes from 0 to 4. And it comes in this nice plastic case that holds everything all together. So the needle tips are under this front flap, and on the back the cables and the end caps, and it comes with a tightening screw as well, are in these two pockets in the back. And the set is 7 needle tips in size 0, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, and 4. And the cables that it comes with are 2 24-inch cables, one 32-inch, one 40-inch. So I gave these a try recently. They are stainless steel. The size is printed on both needle tips. It's very small, but it is printed there. Now that it's not engraved, so that might rub off with use, so just keep that in mind. But they feel very nice. It's a brushed stainless steel. They feel really nice in the hand. The cable attaches to the needle tip. The needle tip has the insert for the screw head for the cable. So the cable tips have the screw attachment, and the needles screw onto the cable like so, and there's a tightening hole to tighten. They attach really nicely. There is a really nice smooth join at the attachment point, and at the attachment point from the cable join to the cable as well. It's really nice. The cables are, I believe, they're plastic coated metal. I am not sure, but they're nice and thin, and they are very flexible. So there's a little bit of memory there, but they are so flexible that it doesn't really impact anything. So I really like the cables in this set, and I really like the join, and I really like the needles. So let me compare my favorite needles at the moment are ChiaoGoo red lace interchangeables, and these are also stainless steel. And they have really nice pointy tips. So I tend to compare the needles to the ChiaoGoos. And so the ChiaoGoo is on the right, and the Knit Picks is on the left, and they are very, very similar. So the Knit Picks is nice and pointy, maybe a tiny, so these are both size 4s. Let me double check. No, these are 3s. Let me get the 4s. So we can do a proper comparison. So here we have both size 4 needles. The ChiaoGoo is on the right, the Knit Picks is on the left, and you can see they are very, very similar. The Knit Picks tips at the very tip is maybe a tiny bit duller, but it's really hard to tell. And the tip length is very close as well. I think the ChiaoGus are maybe a tiny bit slimmer up towards the tip, but really it's a very subtle difference. They are very similar to each other. The ChiaoGu metal is a little bit shinier, but still a brushed. The Knit Picks is brushed a little bit more, so there's a little bit more texture. Again, it's a really subtle difference. They are quite comparable, I think. I paid $50 for this set, and I believe that was on sale. So it does come with the 4 cables and the 7 needle tips, and in the case. Overall, I'm very happy with this set. It's quite nice. It was nice in the hand to knit with, and the tips are nice and pointy, and yeah, and the join felt great. So I would highly recommend this set of needles. Do you have the Knit Picks Reflections lace needles? What do you think of them? Let us know in the comments below. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.